Wait, that came out wrong. Hello, everyone. I am Spore Master, and welcome to Zelda. Can you say it? Terraria. Hi, Zelda.
I've been in the field attacking those videos.
You may recognize Zelda from our diversity. John Cena. That came out wrong. Okay. Wait, War Master. Start game. Lizard people. Go.
Multiplayer on this.
Oh. Fire the laser beam. Okay. Zelda. What? Indeed it is. Indeed it is raining. Oh God. That zombie got 12 hearts out of you. Geronimo!
This is my house.
What the fuck? Hey, shooting star.
We got some mods in Minecraft, so I'd like to see that.
There's a zombie down here. Hammer fist staff. Oh God. Wow. Off.
Get out of my cave!
I'm not in your cave. That's not me. If it's not me down there, then that's someone else. God, I can't get up. Oh God. Die. Jump. Whoop. Having technical difficulties getting up here. Through the moon rock. Yeah. I'm stuck. Oh good. Zelda. Hey son. Actually no. No, that's Garrett. This is Garrett. No, it was always a Garrett. It was always a Garrett and never a Zach. Guys, leave your comments down below and tell me if you want this to be a window or not. Actually, no. Not this part of window. This part of window. Right here. Or you know what? I'll just set up the foundations. Wood. There we go. So you want more windows. Wood.
Yeah, this cat is
Man. Zelda fell to her death. Poor Zelda.
Quiet. Oh!
Link couldn't save her. I'm coming, Zelda. Oh God. Hey, Pop.
Oh no, the bunny!
Hey, a rope ladder. Oh God. Technical difficulty. Cut the vine. Hey Zelda, do you know what we forgot to say? we forgot to say. Don't forget to leave likes and subscribe. Can we reach up to -1 like? Actually, wait, 5,000 likes, or a million, or a billion, or a trillion, or 1, because 1 is better than a trillion. Yeah. Oh God, I'm in the cave. Hey, I want to mine in the cave. You know what? I don't need torches. I got a fire scare. Hey, chest. Nothing. No. Nothing. Oh God. Hey, skeleton. Wait, son. No, wait, that's not a skeleton. Whoa. Platinum ore. Yeah. Yeah. Platinum ore. Oh, what's this stuff? Amethyst. Yeah. 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 Oh God. Oh God. I got it. Oh God. I can't get up. Yeah. Help. 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 Oh, this stuff. 99 stone bricks. Whoa. Ooh, a pot. Oh God. What is that? It's called a gnome. It's a gnome. Oh God. Kill it. Kill the gnome. No, it says a gnome. It says a gnome. What the heck is a gnome? It has a lot of health. Hey, heart crystal. I see a heart crystal. You need to get to the heart crystal. Wait, after I get this topaz up here. Okay, it's out of reach. Mine. Mine. Oh. Jump! Oh, up here. Get it. Hey, another heart crystal. Get it. Sorry. There's 2 guards done right there. Need to get a deep hole. Oh, yeah. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Got it. Oh God. Oh, what's that thing up there? I need to get it. I need to get it. Run. Oh. That hit to die. For a healing potion. No. Okay. Hit the bot. I got a lesser healing potion. Ooh, emerald.
Oh my god!
What's wrong, Zelda? Oh god, there's a...
Let me go up anywhere! Keep getting away!
You need stone. Stone! What, Zelda? Are you messing with Garrett again?
No, not Garrett. Other guy.
Yeah. Oh! A worm. Wait a minute.
Oh, yeah, that's a worm.
Yeah. Emerald. Ooh, amethyst. Get the amethyst. Hey, clay. Zelda, do you think I can make a pot with the clay? Just kidding, you can't make pots in this game. But you can make bottles. Topaz. I killed a bat! Oh god, I'm sorry! Oh god! Oh, steady. Steady. Ow, giant worm! Suspicious looking apple. What is that? That look like? Spawns summons a worm. Well, I don't want that. I don't want it. Hey, more tin. Oh, that's a lot of tin. Tin. On your chin. My chin. What's this stuff? All this stuff right here and continuously mining it. Oh, I'm not mining it. Hey, what's this? Hey, a bolter. Hey, iron ore. A pot. This way. Amethyst. Yeah. Jump. No. Jump. No. The jump. Yeah. Real good. Hey, a giant giant cave. Oh God! Sporemaster has defeated the 200th one. Well guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe the video. I'll see you soon. Peace out.